There are two facets to it, the way I see it. Uh, if you reflect back on what's happened in the last 2 or 3 years, I think there is a certain level of trust which has been lost amongst Indian consumers on packaged food. And I think a kind of tipping point was what happened when Maggie failed the food safety test, and there have been some other cases. And I think it starts from there where as a consumer you start thinking about how such a big brand could have failed me, and I think there is a push coming from there. The other facet of this, Devender, and which I think will actually be a very, very strong current, is actually local sourcing and local foods. And I think it will go across the chain. It will come in packaged foods, it will come in fresh foods. If you see the level of, you know, in states what's happening today, whether it is Jalakattu, there is almost a feeling of nationalism. I think somewhere it will also tip over into foods. And I won't be surprised. Today, most of us do about, my belief is about 10 to 12% of locally sourced foods in our stores. I think this trend will become far, far more powerful. And I wouldn't be surprised 3, 4 years from today if it easily doubles. And what it means for us is of course, how we source will dramatically change, how we set up our shelves will dramatically change, even how we communicate inside the stores will dramatically change. English may no longer be the medium of communicating products such as these on our shelves. So I think both facets, authentic as well as local, both will continue to be very, very strong trends.